See, so basically what we are discussing about least comprehension, right? In last session or last video we have discussed about lambda function. Okay, so what stand for the least comprehension? There is the least comprehension, tuple comprehension, set comprehension and dictionary comprehension. But mostly interviews में आपको least comprehension के बारे में पूछा जाता है. So how you can answer when someone ask about least comprehension? See, a list comprehension is Python's a way to create a list using a single line of code. So basically, take a real life example. You wanted to create or have a list with containing 10 numbers, so that is easy to containing values with the 10 numbers. But what if you wanted to create a list with having 1000 number, right? So it is not possible to enter one line by line code. Yes, we can do with the traditional way with a looping then append statement, but with the least comprehension, guys, you can do this with a simple one line of code, right? So see, it combines loop and options condition into one compact expression, right? It improve a code readability and reduce the number of lines compared to the traditional loop. अभी मैंने जो पॉइंट मेंशन किया वही है, इट इम्प्रूव्स द कोड रीडेबिलिटी एंड रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ लाइंस कंपेयर टू ट्रेडिशनल लूप. मीन्स आपको अपेंड वगैरह करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. सो सी देर लाइक यू कैन से जब आप लीस्ट कंप्रहेंशन का यूज करते हो, यू कैन यूज विदाउट इफ स्टेटमेंट एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज विद द इफ स्टेटमेंट. So basically this line of code, when you wanted to add some addition, subtraction, less than, greater than ये वैल्यू करनी है, तो यू कैन यूज पर्टिकुलर दिस लाइन ऑफ कोड. मीन्स जब आप फिल्टर कर रहे हो नेगेटिव वैल्यू, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, लेस देन वैल्यू, दैट टाइम यू कैन यूज if condition, right? With the if you wanted to only addition, subtraction or whatever it is, that time you can use without if, right? So simply you can say when you want to filter you need to use if, you don't want it to filter you just simply use the least comprehension. So this is the expression what we actually wanted to write. Then for item means as I previously mentioned, we need to use a for loop here. Iterable, you can use a range, then least, tuple, whatever you wanted to use, and this is for the filtration, right? Now when to use, when creating a new list from an existing iterable. मीन्स आपके पास एक लिस्ट है और आपको एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट में कुछ एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, कुछ फिल्ट्रेशन करके न्यू लिस्ट क्रिएट करनी है, दैट टाइम यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज, राइट? देन व्हेन अप्लाइंग सिंपल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, सेम पॉइंट है, जब आपको ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अप्लाई करना है फ्रॉम एग्जिस्टिंग और क्रिएटिंग न्यू, राइट? व्हेन फिल्टरिंग एलिमेंट बेस्ड ऑन द कंडीशन, सेम है. So how you can explain in interviews also? See, in Python a least comprehension is a short and effective ways to create a list. It allows to generate, modify or filter elements in a single line of code, making the code cleaner and more readable. Okay, so this is about the least comprehension, how you can explain in interviews. But what they ask you or cross question you, how you create a least comprehension syntax. So basically see guys, whenever you wanted to create a least syntax, so this is my list, right? So I wanted to add each 5 values with this data set. So we know we cannot directly add. If we wanted to add, either we need to use a loop, right? And then we need to append in another data set. So what I do, updated is equal to I for, basically we wanted to add a 5 for I in data, and if I print updated C, from this data set the value has been updated. So this is the unique and this one is the another one, right? So now another we will take this same data, we will take, I wanted to do the filtration, negative value मुझे remove करनी है from this data set and only I wanted the positive value. So here हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, filtration करना पड़ेगा, right? So again positive, then I for I in data, right? If I is greater than 0 means we know greater than जो 0 से values होती है that is always a positive values C. So this is the syntax of a least comprehension. Okay, you can also use the range function over here. Number, I wanted to generate a number from 1 to 100. So I, for I in range, I की जगह कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो, 1 से स्टार्ट होना है and 1 0 1 and I'll print numbers over here अभी which is number C, right? So yes, this is how we can use a least comprehension. सिर्फ 1 line of code में आपका task क्या हो रहा है, complete हो रहा है. So you don't need to write a append loop and then print again. ठीक है? So this is a least comprehension.